Whoa! Welcome back to the studio, Ryan, aka BloodShot Airbrushing, and Pooch. And yes, we are back for another update slash sticker giveaway because you know what time it is. You can see the numbers. Yep, 7,000 strong. The BloodShot army grows stronger every day, and I've got nothing but you guys to thank for it. You've made this channel strong, and it just keeps getting stronger, and that's what it's all about. Unite. United we stand, divided you know the rest. And I guess it's about that time, guys. Sticker time. Yes, I am going to go through the comments on this video, and I'm going to randomly pick, well, I say it's a random number generator, so every name gets entered. You can comment as much as you want, but your name will get entered one time. And if you've won before, please be sure to say so in your comment to let others have a chance for their BloodShot badges. Because it is a group effort, and we are all here for one another. And for those long-time members, the outstanding support you have shown, my gratitude is overwhelming. And be sure, there's still a couple names that have not been claimed for the winners in my previous videos. So do go back, check the comment section in those videos, and see if your name is among the winners. I can't chase y'all down. For you new members in the BloodShot Army, well, this channel is mostly about you. Well, I guess it's me, but it's mostly about you. I do my tutorials to try to show you how I approach my projects. And I have my beginner series to try to just get you through the basics. And we're going to push a little heavier in 2019 for the beginner series. I think my tutorials get a little long-winded. 3, 7, 14 videos is kind of too much. But the beginner series, I can knock those off in 15, 20 minutes. And that's another thing. New members, old members alike, let me know. What do you think? We are a year in on this channel. A new year is dawning. What can we do to improve? What can I do to improve this channel for you? Let me know in the comment section, for this is a roll call for the BloodShot Army. I want to know, where do you hail from? What brings you to this channel? Let it be known how far the BloodShot Army has grown. And new airbrushers, new members, throw down in the comments, what do you want to learn? And I'll try to get through that. I have a long list of things that we can bang out in a relatively quick time. I've got textures that people want to know. We've got skulls, which is like it's kind of a given in this industry. We've got flames, we've got fire. Flames and fire are actually different things. So you've got the hot rod style flames, and then you've got the true fire. Now, again, if you've seen some of my other projects, you know that I do the true fire a little differently than others, and most of it is done with water-based paints, which is kind of neat for those of you who are doing this in your basement. Keeps the toxic fumes out the door. And I think we've also got like feathers, water, smoke, forests, a couple other fur, hair, a couple other beginners tutorials that we're going to try to bang out this year and get you guys and your skills just a little bit better. And I guess we should get into this guy for those of you, and I have had a few of you who have requested onto prepping a surface how to. Well, we're going to get into this helmet right away. I'm going to show you how I strip her down and how I get her ready for paint. Now, those of you who don't know, I'm going to slap her on in there that I basically just do the artwork. I farm out all my base coats and clear coats to an automotive shop, and I have found that that is the best process to get the durability and longevity after your artwork is done. And man, isn't that what we all want? You'd hate to have your artwork sprayed only to have it flake away on a rainy day. Alright guys, new members, thank you for coming along. I appreciate you guys joining the team. The BloodShot Army salutes you. For those of you who want to win the stickers, slap a comment down the section. 24 hours, we will randomly generate 5 winners. Come back and check out my comment down in the comment section and see if your name is among the lucky few. And that's kind of it for where we're at with this channel right now. Not much of an update, just a little short patooey to get you guys kind of informed so you know where we're taking this show. And if you have any questions, as always, throw it in the comments. I love to hear your guys' feedback. It makes me happy. Keep it positive, keep it light, and always keep that airbrush trigger finger nimble. Keep them boots strapped on tight, and tell the world the BloodShot Army is here to spray. And as always, like, follow, subscribe. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Cheers. Love you guys. Remember, 24 hours, my comment in the comment section. Check back to see if you are a winner. And good luck to all of you. Thanks for being a part of what I do. And feel free to drop on by the Spreadshirt page and grab yourself up a uniform. There'll be a link in the description, as well as a link to some of my social media, should you want to follow me there. And don't forget, guys, we've got the beginners videos, airbrushing hacks, and project tutorials. And until the next one, cheers!